In this video, we'll walk you through setting up an integration user account for Conclude. This account ensures messages sync smoothly between Slack and Microsoft Teams when users don't have accounts on both platforms. Here's why it matters. When Conclude syncs messages, sometimes a user's credentials don't exist on both sides. For external connections, this is almost always the case. And even with connections inside your organization, not everyone will be signed in on both Slack and Teams. To address this, Conclude normally uses the Conclude bot to post messages on Teams on behalf of the user, but the message sender's name and email are still displayed. However, it also comes with some limitations. Attachments cannot be posted by bots in Microsoft Teams. Some messages may appear under a random Teams account, and mentions from Slack to Teams may not always work as expected. Setting up an integration user account on Microsoft Teams solves these issues. Instead of relying on the Conclude bot or other accounts, fallback messages are posted under one user identity. That means messages always appear with a consistent name. Attachments sync without problem, and mentions across Slack and Teams are more reliable. It's important to note that the integration user is always set up on the Microsoft Teams side of the connection and does not need to be configured on Slack. To set it up, first your Microsoft admin creates a generic user account, for example, external user or customer. This account should not be linked to a real person because it will need to post messages from multiple users when needed. Please note, this generic integration user account must be a member of any connected Microsoft Teams channels. For standard channels, this happens automatically when the user account is added to the Microsoft Teams team. For private channels, the integration user must be added manually. The next step is to open Conclude's web dashboard and go to the admin console in Workspaces. Then click the edit icon next to the workspace where you want to enable or add the integration user account. Select the pre-created user account from the drop-down menu and click Save. If the account hasn't been signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log in and authorize Conclude. Once configured, Conclude will always use this account as a fallback for posting messages. This way, your messages stay consistent, attachments sync seamlessly, and mentions work better across Slack and Teams. And that's it. Keep your conversations connected using Conclude for Slack and Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching.